Well, good Friday morning, everybody. Hi, it's Phil Kincaid. I'm here for the Telegraph with our favorite meteorologist, Mr. Al Caprillion. And Al, we're heading into April. Still pretty cold out there, but we dodged a bullet on that storm earlier this week. So I'm hoping you're going to tell me that you got some good news looking into the weekend, that maybe we're turning the corner. Maybe once,
Well,
finally,
Phil,
we are on done with this winter.
Phil, welcome back. I know you're in the middle 80s there. Welcome back from your trip from Phoenix, Arizona. We just want to recap this past storm. We had a wind gust 83 miles per hour in Nantucket, 9.5 inches of snow, and then we had the body of Cape Cod about 5.5 inches of snow. Harwichport, 6 inches of snow. And there was some in the damage reports quickly. I know if you've ever been to Dennis on the Cape, Chapin Beach, the access ramp eroded away. So we had a lot of problems down there. A lot of at one time there were 10,000 power outages Wednesday morning on the Cape and Island. So again, it was a rough storm. We had the wind here, as you know. There's another ocean storm that's going to affect us on Sunday, but it's going to be a little bit different than that one. We'll talk about that in a minute. But for today, we have some slippery going early this morning. There's a winter weather advisory for Western Hillsborough and Cheshire County early this morning up until about 10 a.m. They've had a little bit of sleet, freezing rain. That's ahead of a warm front, but the main body of the rainfall will be coming in later this afternoon. We'll have a mostly cloudy day. The big thing, once the warm front goes by, southerly winds will increase by this afternoon, 15 to 20 with some gusts of 30 to 35 miles per hour. We could jump in southern New Hampshire to 50 to 55 degrees with rain developing later this afternoon. Rains this evening, and then fill in everyone. Once the cold front goes by, partial clearing after midnight. We have a little bit of clearing. Lows tonight around 40, not that cold. Tomorrow, some partial sun early to mid-morning. It quickly clouds up by afternoon. More rain comes in the afternoon and evening. As that cold front stalls, a low pressure is going to form off the North Carolina coast and track along around the benchmark. Models diverging a little bit. This storm's going to be closer than its predecessor. And with that track, we're going to get rain later Saturday afternoon, Saturday night. Saturday night rain in the middle 30s. Sunday rain, chilly, mid to upper 30s, northerly winds 15 to 20. Now with this track, I want to caution all of you at the National Telegraph, Phil, and all of our viewers that with that track, if the storm intensifies, I never say never. I don't think it'll be quite to what we had a couple days ago this past week, but if it intensifies, it's going to draw some colder air from aloft. There is still a chance that we could get an accumulating snowstorm. That's just a small possibility. This rain may change to snow early Sunday morning, and it could really start coming down with some heavy, wet snow. That's still a possibility. It's not forecasted by the Weather Service and the models right now, but I just want people to know, so I'm striving for accuracy. There still could be a small chance we could get a period of accumulating snow Sunday, and especially Sunday night as that storm moves to our east. We get on the back side, the west side, so the rain could end to sleet or snow early Monday morning, and then we'll see improvement early next week. So again, right now it's rain Saturday night and Sunday, but I'm a little concerned outside of 495 of some accumulating snow, because with that track, we're on the coldest side of the storm. There's no Arctic air, but if the precipitation comes down heavy enough as that storm, if it intensifies enough, it could bring the colder air aloft down. So that's a word of caution. I don't want just so we'll analyze this again Monday morning, but it's rain. But remember in the back of your heads, we could still get accumulating snow. We've had snowstorms before, 1996, April 1st and April 8th. So you still can get accumulating snow, but again, it will not last long. It's really melting fast now as the sun angle is getting, and the sun is getting higher in the sky. So that's just a word of caution on Sunday. We just have to be careful because that track isn't going over us or to our west. We have to watch that.
Okay, so it sounds like definitely Saturday is the better of the 2 days over this weekend.
Also with the rain, if it stays all rain, even in southern New Hampshire, we're looking at 1 to 3 inches. Some areas in southern New England could see a spot 4-inch amount. Again, the rivers, the main stem rivers, if we get over 2 or 3, if we get over 3 inches or 3 inches or more, some of the rivers could flood. We have to watch that. Also, there could be some coastal flooding near the coast with the strong winds and also with the heavy rain. Watch out for urban and poor drainage flooding. So that's something we have to watch because this is going to be a pretty heavy rain event for New England. So this storm is different than its predecessor. That one we missed, except the Cape and Islands and up to Plymouth, Mass had some heavy snow. This one is going to give us some heavy precipitation.